Sarji, you want to test my knowledge about
Taj Mahal, Agra.
or check my English speaking skill. My knowledge about Taj Mahal Agra is limited, but my knowledge about English language is unlimited. I understand noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, conjunction, colon, semicolon, comma, te full stop. I make conversation confidently with any English person, Prince Charles, wife Diana, mother-in-law, Queen Elizabeth, part 2. I find it very disturbing that your esteemed organization is trying to judge me by my knowledge about Taj Mahal Agra and not by my English grammar. You must re-examine your examination system because it is about English and not about Taj Mahal.